Hi, welcome back. This is an unboxing and swatching video of fountain pen inks I bought from Vanness pen shop. It was easy to shop on their website and they ship out my order the next day. The first ink you see here is Organic Studios Bloomer. The packaging of their ink is quite basic. And then I have Manganese Blue Black and Wardell Emerson Twilight Blue. I also purchased Winter Inks Sea Cap, Black Onyx Rhum Blanc 1582 and Emerald Carlos 1960. From what I heard, the Winter Inks bottle doesn't have a good seal. The ink may dry up over time, so you may have to rebottle their ink if yours dry up quickly. The first ink I swatch here is Organic Studio Rough Wardell Emerson Twilight Blue. It looks dark and almost black when you first put it down on paper, but it actually has a purplish blue base with a heavy purple sheen. This ink may look magical, but smears easily because it never wants to dry. I knew it because I didn't swatch this yesterday. By the time I edited this video, the ink still managed to get all over my fingers. The next ink is Organic Studio Earnest Vintage Writing Bloomer. It is a muted blue ink that is more on the teal side. The shading ranges from blue to black. I love the color and it reminded me of some popular teal color shimmer inks. This is an excellent option for people who don't use shimmer ink. Next, we have the Organic Studio Elements Manganese Blue Black, a warmer and muted dark blue ink. This color reminded me of a pair of dark blue jeans. I don't have many blues like this. It's similar to Sailor Shikori Yonaga, but more desaturated. I used to think blue ink was boring, but recently I have discovered some interesting blue inks I love. Now I want to collect more blue inks. Now it's time to swatch some winter inks. This is Winter Inks Sea Cap, one of my favorite greens. It's warmer and slightly desaturated. The color naming of this ink is very accurate if you have seen fresh Sea Cap. It looks more vibrant at first, but when it's dry, the color leans towards a yellow tone. In the last couple of years, I was obsessed with green, so I collected too many green inks that I hate to admit. If you love green, you will see more here on my channel. This is Winter Inks Carlos 1960, another green ink I bought. The color is like a darker, more muted grass green. This ink has beautiful shadings. For comparison, it is similar but darker than the dominant industry painter series Fisherman at Sea ink. It is also identical to Monteverde Olivine and dominant industry standard leaf green. The last ink I swatched in this video is Winter Inks Black Onyx Rhum Blanc 1582. This ink has a slight sheen. At first, it looks like black ink, but I think it looks more like extremely dark brown ink. If I could dilute it a little, it could potentially be quite interesting. I will let you continue finishing up the video with the close-ups of these inks after they are dry. Hopefully the close-ups can help you decide whether to try these inks. Have you purchased from Vanness pen shop before? I'm happy with what I received and will try their ink samples next time. Like every video, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I'm always happy to discuss the inks in the comment area further if you have any suggestions.